existing object and hitting delete, clicking on the text box here, clicking on delete again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a free logo. That's right, I said it. I'm going to show you how to make a free logo. Don't have to pay no designers, don't pay Fiverr, don't pay some guy on Craigslist. You can do this on your own. It takes a few minutes, and I think you'll like the process. It's pretty cool. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment below, and check out some of my other videos. Perhaps you might find those helpful for your other projects. Let's get started. Okay, so in this video we're going to make a logo from scratch. This will take roughly 5 to 10 minutes. Minimum, I would say 10 minutes. Super easy to do, and I think anyone can do this logo for free. Now, this is a basic logo that you can make if you have no design software whatsoever, if you don't have the time to hire a designer. If you want to put this to be your final logo, go for it. That's great. Or if you just want to use this logo for a temporary placeholder, that's also awesome. You can also go with that as well. That's perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you how to make this free logo. And of course, if you guys do need help on your logo, definitely give us a call, contact us. We would love to help you out. But let's get started for now. So this is a website that I'm going to link in the description below. It's called Logo Maker, and it is really easy. When you click on this website, it gives you a default logo of what it could look like, which is right here. We're going to go ahead and remove this by clicking on the existing object and hitting delete, clicking on the text box here, clicking on delete again, because you want to have a fresh canvas, which we have now. So we're done with that. So the first thing you want to do is add a symbol. What's really cool about this website is that it has a whole bunch of icons, symbols that you can use from their category, and it just goes, the list goes on and on and on. So that's pretty cool, and depending on whatever your business may be, just scroll down and see whatever fits your need and go with that. For this, I'm just gonna put in an icon here, and we're just gonna play around with this and see what we come up with. So I think it'll be pretty cool and kind of fun. So let's explore. Let's try food and drinks. Maybe we can do something with that category. I'm thinking maybe like a coffee shop or something. Maybe have the cool icons here. So let's go ahead and look at that as it's loading here. And let's scroll down here. See if we find anything. Okay, there it is. Okay, so it's a lot of really cool icons, as you can see. Now this is one category, which is food and drinks, probably one of my favorite categories, but let's go ahead and pick one icon that we can use. Let's see here. For something more, and they also have these really cool icons like in black and white, which is awesome. It reminds me of like a vector logo. Let's go with this right here. It's a donut. So click on this, you have your icon. You can drag this icon, you can increase the size by the plus or minus. You can also, which is pretty cool, is select any part of this icon. If you select this part, I just grab the outline, so it shows me black. So if I want to click on that, I can change the color of that outline, but I'm not going to do that for now, so let's just leave it the way it is. But that gives you an example of how you can change the color of this. I like how this looks, so I'm not going to mess with it too much. So I'm just going to play with the size for now. And now I want to add in text. So now what you want to do is, once you have your icon of whatever your choice may be, click on add a text. And now you grab your text. You can move this text box anywhere you like on the canvas here. And also you can select this and change the font, which is right here. It gives you a wide variety of different fonts. So go ahead and play with that once you have your logo. So it is kind of limited because it is a free app, a free software. This is online. You can download this as you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and pick one that kind of goes with this. Okay, now we don't want to have this enter a text. We're going to type in our business name. Let's see, let's go with, okay, how about fried and frosted. So notice how the logo name is huge, so I'm going to shrink the size for the tagline fried and frosted to be a little bit less than that. And now I'm just going to move this over here. Perhaps that was kind of cool. I do like the pink on this, and I want to sample that. And in order for me to do that is I can select any place on this donut that I like. If it's light pink, dark pink, notice how it changes colors here. I'm going to select the darkest hue of pink. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy this index code here on my keyboard, which is Control C if you're on a PC, and Apple, I'm not sure what Apple would be, but Control C for PC. So copy that. You want to click on this fried and frosted, click on the color value here, and go ahead and change that and paste it. Control V and hit the green arrow. Check. So there it is, fried and frosted. Now this looks semi-complete. Let's give it another tagline here so people exactly know what this place is. What you want to do is hit duplicate. It duplicates it, but don't worry, we're going to change this right now. I'm going to go ahead and select this and put donut shop. Yeah, shop, that was pretty cool. And let's change out the type so it's slightly smaller. How does that look? Let's see. If you don't like it, you know what, go back and just play around with it. You can be here and just have fun with this. This is cool, but it's kind of thin. You can also make it bold. Just click on this right here, and this should make it slightly bolder here. I want to increase the size, so there we go. It's too big. Let's bring it a little bit down. You can also freehand the size and just play with the value here as well to whatever size you like. I like the way this looks, but not the color. I want to change that. So once again, go over here, click on this. I want to go back out here. I want to sample the darkest of this value here. I'm going to click on that and sample that part of the donut. Hit the green arrow. Now that I have the color copied from this part of the donut, I'm going to go ahead and click on the donut shop here. Double click on this color value, paste it in here, highlight over, paste it in here, and then I want to make it a little bit more slightly darker here. I'm just going to play with the values until I get it to look just where exactly I want it to be. That was kind of good. Hit OK. The donut shop. So that is your logo for now. Notice that once you move this tagline here, it gives you a blue line here. This is just to help you with the alignment of it. If I center this, it'll show me where the center line would be, which is right here. So that line should show up again, which is right here. But I like it to be the left justified for now, so see what that looks like. So there you have it. That's a really quick way to make a logo and icon. You can also upload your own image if you have an icon, but this is a great free resource. And what's cool about this is you can also see what this looks like if it was any business card, for example. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I'm going to click on business card right here. Now it should give me some business card examples here, which will be laid out here. So if I like any of these, I can download them. This is just my logo that I came up with. Let's go with this one here for now, just to see what it, oh actually not this one, this is quite nice with the blue. So notice here this would be like a template for business cards. What you can do is you can take this and you can move it over here and now increase the size of this. I'm just playing around. It's pretty cool. And then take your logo, click on this, increase the size once again. This may be like your business card, and we're trying to increase size for that, and then just center that, I guess. That was kind of nice. And then it has a whole bunch of different options. You can put your phone number here. I'm going to delete this. You can put in your address in this text box. You can put in your website if you have one for your business. So this is a great resource to make a logo, also business cards. So play with that, and if you like it, you can save and download it, or just save and download your logo here. And I think it's a pretty cool option, something to play with, something that's free. And if you're not certain about this website, if you still feel like you need a designer, definitely look us up and give us an email, give us a call. We're here to help you guys if you need any help with design, but also we're just here to give a tutorial about how to make free logos. I definitely want to make a more in-depth video on how to make logos. This is just a preliminary video of how to make free logos. Let me know what your thoughts are. Comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know your thoughts on it. Thanks again for watching, guys.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Check out this video right over here or right over here if you haven't already. I hope you find those videos also as helpful. Like, subscribe, comment below. We are a graphic design channel, so look out for more videos to come. Thanks.